Hello and welcome to the 4Q channel. Today what I'm going to be cooking is a dish that I've cooked many times. It's a dish called chicken with cream and vegetables. In Italian it's called Pollo Alla Panna. So that's just chicken with cream. There are a few variations to this dish, but quickly we're going to start off. We're going to add a little bit of butter first, get that melted. And with that, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to just fry off a couple of chicken thigh cutlets. Now, with chicken, if you're using thigh cutlets, or you're using chicken thighs, or even drumsticks, you'll find that doesn't matter how long you cook them for, they will always come out nice and soft and juicy. So I've just dusted them with a little bit of flour. I really haven't seasoned the flour because obviously I'm going to add season to this dish a little bit later. So you just want to get it so it's got a little bit of browning to it. Not something you want to play with it too much. And as is with this dish, we'll let this simmer later for about 30 to 40 minutes. Generally speaking, 5 minutes don't take too long to cook. Beautiful. Okay, then to this I'm going to add some sliced onion, not diced, just sliced. If you cook with it, beautiful. Also, you can add white wine to this dish if you want, for those that like a bit of alcohol in their dishes. I'm not going to today. Not that it matters. I mean, the alcohol does dissolve, so it's not like you're going to get any effects from it. Beautiful. Lovely. Again, just getting some brownness. It'll still be, it'll still be nice and raw in the middle. Okay. Then once you've got them to a whitish sort of medium sort of colour, like so, just going to add a little bit of chicken stock. Remove these thigh cutlets. Okay, we've still got the onions going. Okay, now for my veggies. I'm going to I've got some potatoes, and I have got some carrots as well. And I'll just let these, because they're root vegetables, they just take a little bit longer. Ooh, mushroom there. They take a little bit longer to cook. So once again, we're just giving a tiny little bit of colour. Get all that nice stickiness that you see at the bottom of the pan. Again, I'll just add a little bit more stock just to deglaze that off. Okay, now into this I'm going to add my friend Mr. Garlic. couple of cloves will do. Again, you know how I feel about garlic. Do not let this burn, because nothing raw in a dish like burnt garlic. So just keep it moving, and as you can see, if you have to, keep adding that stock so it does not burn. Beautiful. And thank you for all your support as well. It's been really nice. Slowly and slowly, everyone's been giving some comments and feedback. I've really enjoyed reading some of the comments, so thank you. It's good to share amongst the cooking community. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, back to that, we're going to throw in 2 nice chicken cutlets. Okay, so it looks a little bit like this. Lovely. Now for the seasoning, I've got some salt, I've got some pepper, and I have got a little bit of Massel as well, which is a chicken stock that I just absolutely love using. It really does notch up the taste to another level. I just love it. That's it. You can see that shiny glaze that is all over the chicken. Beautiful. Probably wondering, where are the mushrooms and the beans? Well, here they are. The reason I don't fry the mushrooms and the beans off is sort of like keeping them a little bit whole, and can add beans to it, you don't have to. And the way I look at it is it gives the dish a nice colour too. Okay, it's looking lovely, beautiful. Okay, everyone's tucked in and happy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to get our chicken stock in there. We're also going to add in some water as well. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so you sort of want it so just the veggies are just covered in about 3/4 of the stock. We are then, going to put a lid over the top, give it a little bit of little steam, a little bit more there. Keep it on low, and look, just let it simmer for about, say, 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so we're back. Now, take the lid off. That's lovely. So as you can see, everything seems to be cooked perfectly. What I normally do is I just get a skewer just to check. It's always the potatoes. Yep, you can see the skewer is just running through that beautifully. Lovely. So the next thing I do is I get the chicken and I then remove some of the vegetables. Oops, to 40 degrees. As you can see, I've dropped a potato. We do have the 3-second rule, but you know what? I'm going to leave it. That potato is going to potato heaven, so get rid of him. Okay, and just clean up as you go. Nice. Okay, so what we're left with is we've got the liquid stock. As you all know, with liquid stock, it does need a little bit of seasoning, which I put in And like I always say, make sure you taste everything. And I know, it does taste beautiful. Okay, so what we're going to do to this is we're going to add some cream, a bit of heavy cream, okay, and just to keep that stirring, nice, beautiful. And we're just going to let that thicken up just ever so slightly. And to that, we're going to add some parmesan cheese. Yep, parmesan cheese. A couple of tablespoons. Straight away you can see that that sauce has thickened up beautifully. Nice. And then we're going to throw in some beautiful fresh parsley. Okay, lovely. Again, give it that taste. Sensational. We'll be back after this, and last but not least, we're going to plate it up. Okay, so we've got the plate out of the oven. It's nice and warm. Okay, next we're going to take our chicken cutlet. Just going to place it there. Now, you can serve this with rice, you can serve it with mashed potato, you can serve it with mashed potato, rice. Let's just leave it at mashed potato. Oh no, and pasta, yes, you can serve that with pasta. Okay, so there are your three options. Then we'll just grab our sauce, our beautiful, beautiful sauce, and then we're just going to pour that sauce over the thigh, chicken thigh. Want to be fancy, and we can just add a little bit around the plate. Actually, there is a fourth thing you can do. You can add crusty bread. Let that crusty bread soak it up. And then the last but not least, you don't have to, I just throw a few little fresh chives on top. Just a touch more of parmesan. And there you have it. My version of chicken with cream and vegetables. At least the kids might eat some vegetables, if they ever eat them at all. So, like we say, we'll see you on the next video, and fork you.